Welcome to Tech Brother with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn how to use show function in PySpark. The show function in PySpark is used to display the contents of a data frame in a tabular format. Now, if you use df.show, it's going to show all the data. That means only 20 rows, and it will truncate long strings. Now if that's the default is 20 characters, so it will truncate the long string, so it's going to show you probably 20 characters. Now if you say df.show and provide the parameter 5 or 10 or whatever inside here, the number that's is going to limit the rows according to that number, so it will display, in this case it will display only 5 rows. If you will do df.show truncate equal to true, that means it's going to truncate the long text, and the default is 20 characters, and now that means it's going to cut off long text with these dots. Now if you will say df.show truncate is equal to false, then you are going to get the entire text, so it's going to show you the full text without cutting. Now if you say df.show vertical true, is going to display data one row at a time, and it's going to be in vertical format. So we will see in the demo how it look like. And finally, if you say df.show truncate is equal to 10, that means you are telling or setting the custom truncate length. In this case we have set to the 10. So now in this case what's going to happen is going to cut off text after 10 characters. Now let's go ahead and see that everything what we have explained with this code and see in a demo. Now I have this data set here, and my array is consisting of 4 records right there, and we are gonna take a look from there. So here you see that df data frame equal to spark.create data frame. I'm using this data to create the data frame, and then I'm using this function to df with the just provide the column names, as because I don't have column names here in the data. So if we do that, and df.show is going to show me all the records. I have 4 records. If I would have maybe 100, it would only show me 20 records. Now here I'm limiting the size, so I'm just asking for 2 records to show. So let's execute this. Let's scroll down a little bit, and here is our output df.show. That's it, showed all the records, no problem at all. And here is when we said the df.show inside we provided 2, so it is only showing us 2 rows because we have limited the number of rows by providing this value right here. If I would like to do more, like 3 or 5 or 10, in my case I have only 4 records, so it's not going to make sense to go above 4, but you can change, and it is going to limit according to the parameter. Now there is another one that what we can do here is df dot show truncate is equal to true. So that's the default, and the names are longer than 20 characters were truncated. That's what's going to happen. So in case I'm going to put some more information. This is my test name, and I do not go like this long name. Okay, so now if I execute this one, so we are going to see 3 outputs. The df.show is going to show us the entire data frame, and then df.show will to 2 rows, and we can actually let me do one thing. I'm going to comment this out so we don't see all those. We are going to see whatever we are executing. So we are setting truncate is equal to true. So I don't have more than 20 records, so it's going to show 4 records for sure. And as we said that truncate is equal to true, now it's going to truncate the characters with that. So let's go ahead and execute. So you see that it has truncated, so it's just any string that's in more than 20 characters, it just chop that and then showed with the dots here. So that's what is gonna happen with this. When you say df.show truncate is equal to true, that's default as well. So you don't have to even say truncate equal to true. If you will just simply even say df.show, that's the same output you're getting, because the truncate is equal to true by default. Let me say reject. Okay, let me execute again. So you see that the default is as is, no change in the when you say truncate is equal to true, because that's already set, that's a default. Now let's comment this out, and now we are going to see when we want to see the entire string. We don't want the truncation to happen, and in that case you will set the truncate is equal to false. So now we will go ahead and execute this, and now we should see the entire string right here. So Ahmed Shahzad, and then see this is the text I have written, and then it is showing us the entire text because we have said that truncate is equal to false. So this is pretty helpful in case you have long strings and you want to display and take a look on those ones. Now if you want to display the data vertically, that's also possible. Right now it's like you see that we have rows and columns, and now if we want to do as a vertical, you will see when I say vertical is equal to true, now it is showing me record 1 and the ID and then name and age, and then going with the record 2, record 3 and all that. So you see that this is how it is working. So it start with the index 0 and then 1 2 3, so we have total 4 records, so it goes all the way to 3, and you see that it's still this is chopped, so that you can also set here, if you don't want to do it. Let's say you want to say truncation is equal to false, if you want to see. So copy this, and then you will provide it here, say comma, and then we will say false, and now run it, and what's going to happen, let me actually, this is okay, let me delete this. Now if we execute, what's going to happen is going to show me vertical, but also it's going to show me the entire string, see right there. So that's helpful. Now if we are interested to see another format of df.show, truncate is equal to true, but I want to see only truncate on 10 characters or maybe 5, so if I want to set that one, so it's gonna truncate with the 5. So you will see what happened here. Okay, let me rerun and see if we are still getting error. Okay, let's diagnose the error and see if this is gonna help us. I thought we have the correct information. Okay, now it is saying that truncate limit is not okay, so it says that truncate is equal to 5, not truncate limiter. Okay, so that's where it is. You don't have to say limit, and let's I'm gonna use this one. So now if we execute, this is gonna work just fine. So it did help, so you can use the chat window here and see. So if you see right there is a chopping now, and just showing the 5 characters, and just actually showing 2 characters, and then it's just showing dot dot dot. It means that these are the 2 ones which are long, and these ones fit in those 5, and these one doesn't fit. So if you take a look on the records here, so we have Charlie, so that's like 3 and 3 6 and 7. So it just showed just 2 here, and then rest of this is a dot dot dot. It means these string have more than 5 values, characters. So that's what it is. So I hope this video will help. I will put this entire code in the description. I thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.